We're going to do treatment to the piriformis using the concave deep impact 15mm copper coloured head on the Gymna Shockmaster 300. We're going to take the power up to 3 bar and bring the hertz down to 10 hertz. The machine's set to deliver 2000 shocks, but we're not actually going to do 2000 shocks. We're going to do some trigger point spots, and then we're going to switch and do a general massage over the whole gluteal area. We've applied some gel to the gluteal area and spread the gel out. We could have used oil, as this is a concave head, not a convex head. We'll start the treatment and apply 200 shocks to one area. You see the redness, the erythema building up from the treatment. Once we've done 200 shocks, we'll move down to another area and do 200 shocks on another trigger point. We tend to go for the area that's the most painful. So in this case, 2 spots around the piriformis and a spot down into glute med. Okay, we run 200 shocks. And move down to the 3rd spot and apply the treatment for 200 shocks to the 3rd spot. Once we've applied the treatment, you can see the redness, the erythema from the deep impact applicator. We're now going to switch the deep impact applicator and put on the 200, the 20mm head. Sometimes the heads can be difficult to get on, especially if the machine's warm. I'd suggest just rotating them backwards before you rotate them forwards so you don't cross the threads. There's the 20mm head. We're going to turn the pressure right down now. As you can see, we've got to 607 shocks. Turn the pressure down to 1.6. We're going to turn the frequency up to 16 for a massaging effect. Reset the shocks. And we're back onto the piriformis gluteal area for 2000 shocks. Much faster speed now. Applying around the gluteal area. Gymna do recommend treating the trigger points for a certain number of shocks each. Usually 200 is deemed to be a minimum, before then going on and relaxing off the entire area, usually with a bigger head and usually at lower pressure, for normally 2000 to 4000 shocks depending on how big the area is, to loosen off the muscles generally. You'll see here that at 16 Hz 2000 shocks goes by pretty quickly. Gymna also make a V-actor attachment for this machine to do the massaging part. There is an equation to work out the difference between the two, and that's trigger point and myofascial release treatment.